Introduction to Secure File Sharing in OneDrive.
OneDrive offers a convenient way to share files online, but keeping your files private is important. By using expiring links, you can share documents, photos, or folders for a limited time, adding an extra layer of security and control. This feature is especially useful when you want to limit who can access your files and for how long.
Why use expiring links?
Expiring links help protect your files by ensuring the shared access automatically ends after a set period. This is particularly valuable when sending sensitive documents, collaborating temporarily, or sharing materials for a specific project. Once the link expires, recipients can no longer open the files, which reduces the risk of unwanted access in the future.
Creating a secure sharing link.
To create a secure expiring link in OneDrive, right-click the file or folder you wish to share, then select Share. In the sharing window, choose anyone with the link can view or edit. Next, click on the expiration date option to set how long the link will remain active. Confirm your selection and send the link to your intended recipients.
Customizing link settings for privacy.
Besides setting an expiration date, OneDrive allows you to customize permissions. You can restrict access to view only or allow editing, prevent downloading, and set passwords for extra protection. Adjust these settings under the Link Settings menu before generating your expiring link. These options help you maintain strict control over your shared files.
Best practices for secure sharing.
Always review your sharing settings to ensure the right level of access. Share expiring links only with trusted contacts, and avoid posting them publicly. Regularly check your OneDrive shared files list to remove outdated or unnecessary shares. By combining expiring links with good habits, you can keep your files safe and private when sharing with others.